Well, the Christmas decorations are almost ready to come down as we are kicking off 2020. You all, this is so exciting, and I have a word of encouragement for you today as you are looking at your goals for this year. And that is 3 words. It's 4 words. Let's try that again. You can do it. Welcome. I'm Sheri Traxler with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. One of the steps to making habits stick is this little term that we call self-efficacy. I'm going to say self-confidence because that's a term that we're more used to hearing, but it's not self-confidence in general. It's confidence around a specific habit. And that's what I want you to think about is with this new habit in this new year, this transformation, whatever it is that you're wanting to level up in your life, know that you can do it. And there's 3 things that you need to help you increase your confidence around it. One is belief in yourself based on past successes. As you look at your life, you're not the same person you were a few years ago. You have transformed. Well, what are your strengths that have helped you get there? Are you a person that's really tenacious? Are you someone who's a people connector and you know how to delegate or you know how to get people to help you with things? Are you someone who you're a problem solver and you're able to really think deeply about something and be logical and come up with explanations for how you can change things? Whatever your strengths are that have helped you get where you are now, use those same strengths. Think about those same strengths and how you can apply them going forward. Second is look around you. Not just look at your own past, but look at the other people in your life who have succeeded in the area where you're wanting to transform. If you are wanting to eat healthier, ask people who eat healthy what they do to work it into their life. Because everybody has some of the same challenges, so they probably have some of the same challenges. If you are wanting to exercise on a regular basis or manage your stress or whatever it is, ask somebody who has that taken care of in their life, or at least they're further along the path than you are, and learn from them. And then third, deals also with getting with people, and that is get some support. Who can help you? Who can hold you accountable? Who can teach you. They may be an expert in a particular area and they're going to be able to help you move further along. And that's going to help you know you can do it because you're not just depending on just you. You've got all of this support around you and knowledge and expertise around you. Some people call it a mastermind. You can call it that if you want to around this particular area to take your life to that next level. Let me know what you're going to do in 2020 to level up your life, to transform in your health, to transform in your life. And part of that, of course, is getting resources from here. So be sure to subscribe so that you can get weekly help and encouragement in leveling up your life in 2020 this year. I am so excited that you are here. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, find your path and fulfill your potential.